In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove header from second page in LibreOffice. If you're working in LibreOffice Writer and you want the first page to have a header, but the second page and the pages after it to have no header, the key is to use different page styles. LibreOffice handles headers by page style, not just by individual page. So once you understand that, this becomes much easier. Start by opening your LibreOffice Writer file. Once your document is open, bring up the Styles panel by pressing F11 on your keyboard. This will open a panel on the right side of the screen. At the top of that panel, click the Page Styles icon, which is the fourth icon. Here you should see page styles such as default page style and first page. Now we're going to make sure the header is enabled only for the first page style. In the page styles list, right-click first page and choose Edit Style. A settings window will appear. In the left panel, go to the Header tab, turn on the option called Header On, then click Apply, and after that click OK. This tells LibreOffice that pages using the first page style can display a header. Next, right-click Default Page Style, and again, choose Edit Style. In the same settings window, go to the Header tab from the left panel. This time, make sure Header On is unchecked. Then click Apply and click OK. This means any page using the default page style will not show a header. At this point, you've prepared the styles, but you still need to tell LibreOffice where the document should switch from the first page style to the default one. To do that, place your cursor at the end of page 1. This is important because the break you insert will control what style starts on the next page. Go to the top menu, click Insert, hover over More Breaks, and then choose Manual Break. A small pop-up window will appear. In that window, set the style to default page style, then click OK. What this does is force the second page to begin with the default page style, which has the header turned off. As a result, your first page keeps its header, while the second page and any following pages that continue with the default style will no longer show one. And that's it. If it doesn't update immediately, just click into the document and review the page styles again to confirm the correct style is applied to each section. This is a clean and reliable way to control headers in LibreOffice Writer.